One day, a man came to Gautam Buddha and said, "I'm always feeling depressed, I can't think positive, and I'm always thinking negative. I can't go ahead or move on, and I've become a failure all the time. I think I have a weak mindset. Can you teach me how to create a strong mindset?" Gautam Buddha smiled and said, "Of course, my friend. But first, let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a king who asked his wise men to create a ring with a message that could make him happy when he was sad and sad when he was happy. After much thought, the wise men presented him with a ring inscribed with the words, 'This too shall pass.' The man looked at Gautam Buddha and asked, 'What does that mean?' Gautam Buddha replied, 'It means that everything in life is impermanent. Joy and sorrow, success and failure, they all come and go. So if you want to create a strong mindset, you have to understand that nothing is permanent, and that includes your negative thoughts.' The man nodded and said, 'But how do I get rid of my negative thoughts?' Gautam Buddha said, 'You don't get rid of them. You observe them. Just like clouds passing in the sky, negative thoughts come and go. You don't have to attach yourself to them. Just observe them and they will pass.' The man looked puzzled and said, 'But what if they don't pass? What if they stay with me?' Gautam Buddha replied, 'Then you need to practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment and focus on your breath. When you focus on your breath, you can't focus on your thoughts. That's how you create a strong mindset, by being present and not attaching yourself to your thoughts.' The man nodded and said, 'I understand now. Thank you, Gautam Buddha. I will practice mindfulness and observe my thoughts.' Gautam Buddha smiled and said, 'Remember, my friend, this too shall pass.' The man thanked Gautam Buddha and left feeling hopeful. He started to practice mindfulness every day, observing his thoughts without attaching himself to them. Slowly but surely, he began to feel more in control of his mind. One day, the man returned to Gautam Buddha and said, 'I have been practicing mindfulness and it has helped me tremendously. But sometimes I still feel overwhelmed by negative thoughts. What else can I do?' Gautam Buddha replied, 'When you feel overwhelmed, try to shift your focus to gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate the good things in your life. You can also practice loving-kindness meditation, where you focus on sending positive thoughts and energy to yourself and others. This will help you cultivate a more positive mindset.' The man nodded and said, 'Thank you, Gautam Buddha. Your teachings have helped me create a strong mindset.' Gautam Buddha smiled and said, 'Remember, my friend, life is not about avoiding negative thoughts or experiences. It's about how you respond to them. With a strong mindset, you can face any challenge with courage and resilience.' The man left feeling grateful and inspired. He continued to practice mindfulness and gratitude, and over time, he became a more positive and resilient person. Whenever he faced challenges or setbacks, he reminded himself of Gautam Buddha's words, 'This too shall pass.' As the man continued to apply Gautam Buddha's teachings, he noticed significant improvements in his mental and emotional state. He was able to approach his challenges with a more positive outlook, and he found himself achieving his goals more easily. One day, the man returned to Gautam Buddha to express his gratitude and to seek further guidance. He said, 'Thank you so much for teaching me how to create a strong mindset. Your teachings have helped me overcome my negative thoughts and become a more resilient person. But I still have a long way to go. What else can I do to continue growing?' Gautam Buddha smiled and said, 'You have already taken the first step, my friend. You have recognized the need to grow and to continue learning. That is the most important thing. But to continue growing, you must practice self-awareness. Observe your thoughts and actions, and ask yourself why you think and act in certain ways. By understanding yourself better, you can identify areas for improvement and make positive changes. The man nodded and said, "Thank you, Gautam Buddha. I will continue to practice self-awareness and strive for growth." Gautam Buddha replied, "Remember, my friend, the journey of personal growth is never ending. But with a strong mindset and a willingness to learn, you can continue to grow and thrive." The man left feeling inspired and ready to continue his journey of personal growth. He knew that it would not be easy, but with Gautam Buddha's teachings as his guide, he felt confident that he could overcome any obstacle and achieve his full potential. A strong mindset is the foundation of success. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Adversity reveals your true character. Challenges are opportunities for growth. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. A strong mindset is not given, it is earned. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Mistakes are learning opportunities, not failures. Your mindset determines your destiny. Success is not luck, it's a mindset. The greatest obstacle to success is a weak mindset. A strong mindset is the key to unlocking your full potential. Change your mindset, change your life. Obstacles are detours, not dead ends. Don't let fear hold you back from success. A strong mindset can conquer even the toughest challenges. Mental toughness is a choice, not a gift. The greatest strength is having a positive mindset. Your mindset is your weapon against negativity. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Success is not easy, but it's worth it. Stay focused on your goals and success will follow. A strong mindset can turn failure into success. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Mental toughness is the ability to bounce back from adversity. Success is a journey, not a destination. A strong mindset is the key to overcoming obstacles. The only limit to your success is your own mindset. Stay positive, stay strong, and never give up. A strong mindset is the difference between success and failure. Your mindset can make or break your success. The strongest weapon against negativity is a positive mindset. Your mindset is the foundation for success. Mental toughness is not about never giving up. It's about never giving up on yourself. Stay committed to your goals, no matter what. Success is not about luck. It's about hard work and a strong mindset. A strong mindset is the key to achieving your dreams. Believe in yourself, and others will believe in you too. Stay positive, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. A strong mindset is the foundation for resilience. A positive mindset attracts positive outcomes. Your mindset is the starting point for success. Stay positive, even in the face of adversity. Challenges are opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Mental toughness is the ability to keep going, even when things get tough. Your mindset is the engine that drives your success. Stay strong, stay focused, and stay determined. A strong mindset is the foundation for greatness. Believe in yourself, and the world will believe in you too. A strong mindset is the key to unlocking your true potential.